Episode 4 high juicy news. Mema Obibia Akwaba. Latest hot news. Era me bro. Na ansana and something in Abebano. So when you subscribe or abomodi and say over subscribe to channel. Now I like video no give us a thumbs up. Now fi share my wofufro so na when you be here. Na wo and someone ekoso ewo Ghana memoir. Afi ye share a year and someone abeto yepono so. Yeti a yes I report here about to the Sansami Muma Yeti.
Look, share. But I can't say we intra buying we all way. Goodwill now will enjoy no. Ghana Fwaji Watum. SSR nipe bia O2 and a mom bia no or you careful. Why you careful at your how beba? Because they say no, this is the only government in the Fourth Republic. And I mean what your mama baso. Me ya me kan ya wa wudi me de be wu mu. Abanya ye say kabi min kabi e fa toso nan yase e wo mem ha. Wedi bosumi du asemboni bi ansi. Abino scandal bi amem. Ajijo mama. Rollins 1992. Ye two abani we kikiri. Ye swear ni in we ye pepe. A year so Rollins 3 months. And a trouble by that time no more group be a friend Moby Squad. I choose any friend no.
Oh, I don't know.
Moby Squad for 3 months. You didn't Rollins is here. So, most of me and Pepe and the Moby Squad for say, this is assembly be hey, tractor is here, pick up a war, a DNA war, a day war. Moby Squad for say yes, said. I rely. It's that time of any PV or being. Sorry, you have a Kasaya and Kwafon tie. Enna, yeah, mammy, Dr. Mrs. Mary Grant, actually, I don't know. Very good. Mammy Coco, fair, or also sorry, yeah, Ebe Kasaya, Hocha, and Kwafan Fanyasem. Moby Squad for no, acting, can say, I'm a free press, at Troy. Yes, you want your bad J. Akufo. Hey, came bam! First scandal. Ye kwaje be say copy saloon. Adelai? Baby, ye kwaje be say ado ye say na ho barbering shop.
Ajeta.
You remember?
Captain Smart.
Oh, and check
shows.
Enna. Womodi asem say yampa say nyampa. Malamisa story no mokai. Say Malamisa no a sports minister when they are fit. And the king say yampo, a scandal. That's what I'm talking about it. I am not saying Malam Isa perpetrated any crime. That is not what I am saying. But I'm saying that something of the sort actually cropped and was cooked for that administration to enjoy.
He is smart.
And when you know other things, Esiyama, Professor Kasim Kasanga, the first ever a Greek minister under J. Kufuor, Kwana kwa kramango bra na yendua $21 million papa ni de mango dua 3.
Enu na mint. Na skanu wa.
Mango dua 3.
Conclusion has come.
Who here no now about Professor John Evans 50 Mills. First time, less than 1 year. Why only 51 million Ghana cedis? You remember? It was a blast. So many other things happened.
Why you me?
As for Nana Agyapong, me that man. And then I mean, I am confused. Captain won't pay Nana Agyapong, Debbie. What's it? Mamin chiremu ye. Nana Agyapong kasa as nipa. When you chair me, when you chair me, mommy, when you chair me, papa. It is said Nana Agyapong kasa no. Me bunu, me penasem, me dono. But na memwo fun Hello, mempe. The fact that a certain woman is still married to a certain man does not mean the man is an angel. Sometimes you have to marry the nonsense of certain men, and you have to marry the stupidity of certain women.
So,
Nanado as an individual, me penasem. Because my catch was me kuta ni so dam pese me kuna kamikunu. Kamismo the poison ni bi gum. He said the NPP for kum John Kumano. And why when you be then you can't change my mind. NPP for the man John Kuma poison.
The king of morning.
NPP for na and on man no and the appear could be poison. So new
confusing heart camp.
What killed Hawaii Yakubu?
Confusing heart camp.
Even Kojo Kyeremanteng. What happened before Kojo Kyeremanteng? Mayam. Obi and yam we say stress.
Confusing heart camp.
Mr. Achu, we yam yo ya stress. It's me we yam yo ya. Mo friend medical doctor be me say we yam betimi ayo ya. And you say stress na ma we yam yo ya.
Understand what?
Mayam team.
Understand was not come.
Yeah, stress. No problem.
Confusing heart camp.
Mo publish it.
So.
Retired major.
Smart.
Courage Kochiga. Autopsy report.
Morning shows.
And sometimes I just want to shut up. And to what do you say me kasapa? I mean, can kwasem pa nyame ni munchiro. In some na me can which 1,000. I feel the maka one. I can 999. The American officer so no maka 1 out of 1,999. That them. NPP, who you know NPP no one careful. You be kum me catch your plane. You be my poison. Me we NPP because I am digging here. Me dey no. Me pesa wo te ase ba me. Me nyini NPP. Me nyini ye NPP. Me dey ye NPP. It's 2016 kura me kan wadom say wutwa me moja obehu red, blue and white. Sa party no gro ho. Wo mutu nro cha NDC for. Who ma me catch no. Me ma be NPP. Pa cha NDC. Me be NDC kakra. Oh mo ya. NPP for ye tu nro. Ye dey timi say na ntwe tuntum awia. Hey, hold on. The 22 so yensie na wia. Yensie na anado. Fita na yensie na wia. Yen yetimi ye yakoma de hu buruta me do nyame. You have no idea. Party yetimi se sadun so go ankurem. Etuka fi grai. E de kosrem. Unzuro ye. Me ugru won be kun simple. I'm telling you today. It is a way a young man now when people now win it to say me. You're careful. Why am I when you and the whole quite years and did who party men did it? You be because honorable appear a year say MPP DC you say MP na year say or call your coordinator this so man says so yeah tenen so it's in another scandal first time I shall say just 2 months 2 months busumi mienu pepepe it is a what's na wo hwa membuo power Fourth Republic imu a John Dramani Mahama membuo pa and we dey busumi do a asem yansiye say presenters no mo try newspapers and so my mo no show no munya asem nka me no kura no meka ne ya sa akira wo pata me fa wo me kro wo ya me wo me se no ho me hu Ghana say ye kro because I'm one member na ketwa bi Ghana kwan ya ye wo na all our roads a 3 years project and nobody can tell me say infie nwotwe no aya ne sa say de bi kan say wo ya ban na wadwen ye adwuma wonim nyansa so obey adwuma Ghana roads na a 3 years project another discussion. This is the only administration in the Fourth Republic. What did Busumi do? And then 29th. Yet is a vinyl scandal. And you see, Sagana for Basubobia, as I say, ye pay bibi ye de award ye mo otumfo bank kran. And I said John Mahama be kon kran. Kumase na otumfo ye de award na show otumfo say because only ohine oso Ghana ha. Now I awarded John Mahama mine because I buying 4th Republic. John Mahama did 10 months. Asemiansi. ABIC Eshetokrom but MPA. I am talking about scandal APA Bonting. Scandal BMPA. Obibeka say, oh, Abante be a friend, Sammy Gyamfi $1 mpacho. Sabi mimpa meti hey. And now me promise GH boys and my 100 mankanjo. Mimpo me will be. And a gold board CEO. Manka 200. We are 100. If I said I'm big cow GH boy. Would it become one minute? So what it means is that abai weni abanya dikai. And you know, and near maybe what a young kitten you be blown out of proportion. Abraham, say I'm no say. Chief of Staff Super President Teddy. Meboa. Fantastic.
He is
National Chairman of the NDC, Super President Teddy.
So.
Anameboa. So. Fantastic.
So. Captain Smart.
Who the other tone chair?
King of morning shows.
Yeah, well, a Greek minister, Super President Teddy. So. Okay. Miami wafa, somewhere sapon. Me yari ye putupru, timentini ankone ye. Now, President Teddy. Miami wafa, a word akun.
Wani.
Ope President Teddy.
I don't know.
Now watch this. What do you know to China? Minya penny. Miami chochomucho. Honorable Emmanuel Kofi Amabua. Ope President Teddy. Okay. There are 6 ministers. Our buying way more. Obia your president na obedi. Mahama swaka say enfie nan no owie wawie. It's for any two from wow we are secretary to cabinet no. Listen to me carefully. Aban we mo foreign cheme na mo ntie me yie. Say ministers nsia e wa aban mu president di. Yey. Na enipa so enan a wonye ministers enso e president edi then e be say abanim
Yeah, the chain ni wura
ministers no we deputy ministers the free mo a we dey for we na kan kro mo 60
yeah the chain ni wura
so what 6 free mo say 10% tebie hwa we here governance calculation enye wo university a wako nyo school a wako eno no nyame de chair me or the chair yen eno no fa school no to nchen ye wa di say me ye kese me buade fa no to nchen ya mfa so odom na mawo eti 10% of ministers are wa ban we na president edi
amen.
Now can I tell you, can I go deeper? About 18 of the ministers and so person we have vice president. And it's a when they call curtain, no way, 18 call curtain, no one. When you're 28 out of the 60 ministers, Obia percent obey so. Now with the 4 now, one year ministers, 1 year deputy ministers, no, episode 28. So when you're 32, so plus or minus out of the 60, 32 people want to rise to that level. So there's trouble ahead of this administration. Problem, and me sitting here, I don't want to support anybody. Let me state it categorically. NPP for air contest, I don't support anybody. Sir, NPP for you on flag bearer. Area, NDC you on flag bearer. Area, na my analysis of the two. My analysis room here. I'll also tell you what I will do in 2026.
When
And another day discussion. Enti or how ever Mahama say asudie kɛseɛ bi apart from Ghana ɛda so sɛ Mahama kɔ support Julius Debra wɔyi ne national chairman asɛ dum kɛteama wodi bɛti sɛ Mahama kɔ Julius Debra chi pɛ wɔyi asɛ dum kɛteama obi a wayɛ general secretary abɛyɛ national chairman ɛde wa abɛn mu no wo se ɔno deɛ wo mpɛ no okay sɛ John Mahama kɔdi ase dum kɛteɛ chi pɛ wɔyi ne chief of staff ama my loyal to you when everybody deserted you I was there for you John Mahama is in a fix. He's in a serious dilemma. That is why I will never ever be surprised. Said Jena no Pokwajiman will be the next flag bearer of the NDC. That is why me, I will never ever be surprised. That Jena no Pokwajiman may, whatever me use may become the flag bearer of the NDC.
He is smart. He is unique.
And John Dramani Mahama is likely to repeat what Rawlings did at Aguna Swedru. And Kwaku friend Swedru declaration. It is most likely that John Dramani Mahama may repeat what Rawlings did. Because Okosra Zeneto Rawlings Nene Busia for no. We are Bajimba for a sort of from Neti Asamna John Dramani Mahama can ye Okosra Rawlings e Busia and an accurate Wajman Rawlings. Yamin Fabima American see ye Ofibuno Obetiasia. Eti abai we no ade dada nimu no eso.
Captain Smart.
A break
Morning shows.
Or take and a abai we anim. He abai we bet me perform very well. But as NDC for anya careful. One flag bearership race no will break them. Because it has become too early for anybody to start to nurture to next presidential ambition.
He is
too early.
Unique. He is the
maybe I say me too mufu. I don't care. Too early for anybody in the NDC now to actually outdoor your ambition. It is dangerous. Because say ohini bi te ho na de shebrante bi super say odi akonwa na e den no ye enema oye ina no opese oye bibi ma amanfo de na ebusuafo ni na ho say ono de obetumi abuom obetumi di akonwa no yie pa nti se ani amba ye ho so yie a enipa dodo a wo NDC mu asese be 16 obi anya president na obedi ha okay, can one person for the vice president in Abuja nipa 28, you know, there's trouble. And too early. Listen, and this is for her.
Smart.
Me wahu. And you Biana, me, I am committed without inducement. This is Captain Smart for you. I am always 1000% committed without inducement. Same ya dia. Na me pesa me ma dia ni ye ya. Me ndwene machi. But my whole day me BBI fighting, speaking, risking my life to make sure that NDC by winning election. No, it was without inducement. Because I could have gone to the NPP. No, my catch up say, oh, Mama Milan Cruises nibi. When you say, you come on. The engine seemed to say they didn't yet. But no, I was thinking about Ghana.
Captain Smart.
But baby, NDC for key corner. My careful by 2027. I am not a prophet of doom. Trouble become. And Your Excellency, as a someone who nice from to Sakwa Krabake. Then. Except by now, Minister be upper president and be so you
He is smart. He is unique. He
sack whoever.
Captain
Oh, yeah, minister. Oh, upper president and you sack all of them.
Captain Smart.
Let's not wait. Whoever your president, minister, or say your president, you are winning Eddie. Because there's danger. The catcher Ghana for in 2022 that on 7 January 2025 when we swear on Mahama in. Was in Suana woman and Wabiana men, but they come yama what they I was saying Yamikutani. It's from 2022 when I was loud about John Mahama becoming president. A lot of people know Munyeni that's what said it yes. Minister Silbebre Jaya Juana Omoya and Womo for President Eddie. Minister Sling Naja Juana Omoya no Obia for President Eddie. Hey, Moya careful. There's a Mahamadu one term no call ya. And this is better to be said the one term. Mama Madri nya Juma. Sabe, anti bi facha be munja jimi no. Na mo fa Madri no tu table no so. Na mo start ehunu se. Mo ankasa mo party for na wo from ho na de mo bae no. You have neglected them.
I can't me for you. What can you
Mimi and this Mimi and this
what the was some called
Minya Meye. Minya party card the crowd me kwakoji. But Minya nji ye no menye.
Oni ube Jimmy Apo.
And this for na demo ba ye na omo e form ho no. Branch executives, ward executives, then for full soldiers and kwakrafo ne mmerwana demo ba ye no. Our from hono, they are crying. Men ye wadrin da. So 2028 we actually Adiama by Lusu election 1 month in administration. In fear na no ebosume bakope na ma Lusu election. Yeah, Nanado. Or we need 2020 2016 to 2020 and on winning election. Nana do Lusu elections in over 2021 March.
Yeah, na me constituency executive. Any branch against Gyamfi. Yeah, more 100% whoa.
Lusu elections in March 2021 rather. March, April, May. Na me defeat Angel Baha. Na me catch us say 7th January. See a swear on Mahama in 2025. And this is for now. What from when I demo buy no? What move soon? And yes, Sika no mo pay o. Eh, be a what you say? Oh, party for the pesika. No. Me call from home, me no one kasa. So party for na what from home no. And yes, obi per car, obi per dine, obi per fridge. No. So we must per recognition. So sa kwa na obedi DC no. Na the draw se kura o sheba ko 1 week. Enu na me. Cause oni sika, betumi ya to draw se 3, the draws na 2. So enti Peme bia ne dross no so no. And na person share dross that and ofa uhiem and so wache. She say meme wa hey. Ofa dross na.
He is unique. He is the best. Captain Smart.
Mame come on Dimechi. Me sorry Dimechi. Dimechi. Nti, I say I had a dross no go. Eti, ufa we. No, that change. I think we don't know. We know. Eti bema bi o the dross na or channel. What you say? Wa kwa toilet be 3 days. Toilet na draw line. Who said we don't know? What you say dross say ye white eti Ghana member be per red and a black. Because white and the obe say ebini color no a draw.
He is smart. He is unique.
A horizontal line. Not them.
Smart is the king.
It's your fan over here. A fan over here. No one say no. Hey, Bisa Ukunu, singlet na show Ukunu. I said how many days? Me singlet yes, I me share Monday.
Captain Smart.
Singlet yes, I Monday. And I'm sure, and that's him. And a perfume go agbadanim. We say your sign language I was right.
Yeah, the chain knew that.
Perfume go agbadanim and what he there under you need to see. You know, this is politics. This is how governance is. There was here hono. Any question mo bi hunu. Yama hu de was so. Eti akwa we ya ne ne constituency mu. Oh, we can draw some grants on your biashe. And now I bet the MC, DC, Padino, the red figures of party for be our form home. Hey, me ma come say, Asante region MMDCs, when we ungrateful chain region, BMO MMDCs. They are super ungrateful. Do you know why? Asante region, NDC for our honor. I require 30%. Plus or minus 30%. And the one a contributors are 30% na made oba power no. So na ubenya Nizam patrol na uhurisim na urefi omo a ubehwe odros 2028. I'm telling you, and this is for me member asem betumfo. Wa wo penu tie, wa wo penu jai. Memfa ho menya ndis ne tuameka enya NPP ne tuameka media general ne tuameka menya adwuma nya meto truck betwi na me kro no party for na wo form ho no wo mu so asedu katia fifi kwete Julius, the party people down there are crying. They are not looking for money. They are not looking for cars. They are not looking for anything. They are asking, say, enti yempeni fona yetu abama ono omo hen. Eno na sha ase. Enti say, wo hen na wanyi wuti, wo hen wa ma, wo hen wa mfre, wo hen wa nko, wo hen na fe attending to ska, wa ma misika mi fiu. Ena de ko kuro mu no eba. Ena de ko kuro mu no eba no. As I said by now, ka office of the president, ye will be or ye in charge or chef from home. But as I say, I'm no say who is in charge of the media? Oh, Chiakai, Deme him, Kwachi him, Ofusu. On a mass will be abon to Abba, Debia Wemuna. Debia Wemuna, as if there will be found, Massa, will be a found, ye catch of will be a found. Debi awe buna. Wana fa, obi afa wo. So woni ma NDC for the ma menka cho. Ghana form fa de odi MP hunne. O mine du baby a ene ambulance kura siren ni su a drivers in person meko nchen. Have you realized that? It's a signal that the Ghanaians do not care about anybody in power again. Even ambulance, Krano or boss Irina, Ghana from person baby. And now, me the traffic him ho baby. And Ghana forces cars 6, soldier for cars 6. And the soldier for soldier despite riders in Mienu, kill mucha. Kill, Gyamfi. Akwabi ote moto so, ochu okada. I say, hey, boss, but why say you won't push me somewhere? Go tell that your government say if I expand the road, it be my fault. Me, if you slap me too, I go slap you some. You say, hey. Tell you, I say, and you be fault, oh. Say, Quine is Cocacha, what buying say, ya Quine on beam. That's a mobile money, baby, afa. That's a winning now, Boba Suma, Bobby. Maybe that's what you're not done, and he say, no. I shepherd not Timoto to see, but I quite also the way I was able to my bush, Janino. And you know, Ghana for near man kitty be a shassia, a send a signal to you, sir. There's danger. You gotta fix it.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.